Welcome to the channel. We are about to take off and go to Lake Grapevine and stay at the Vineyards. We are actually doing our first LTV rally with Texoma Club. They have all kinds of agendas, items planned. I know that LTV will be there to talk about maintenance and just question and answers, and then Brandon from Pagosa Supply, he does a lot of custom fits, so stay tuned because our journey is about to begin. The Vineyards Campground in Grapevine, and this is our spot. We're in number 10 and our view is amazing. Look at that at the night. Good morning. This is Thursday. We are going to have Brandon from Pagosa Supply come. He's into a seminar, share some upgrades, questions, answers, and just it's gonna be a nice day, hopefully not too hot. So looking forward to seeing what today brings us. So today is Friday. We're at the rally. We're meeting people with the same LTV. We have Daryl from LTV. He's been here since I believe yesterday and doing a great job just walking around, helping everyone, checking each RV, answering questions. So it's been great to have him. Today we also had Josh from Houston. He does a lot of maintenance and repairs for LTV customers and is very familiar. So you may check him out later to do some modifications for us. This morning we had Vogt RV dealership and repair here. Lots of seminars, conversations, and then tomorrow the event is we're all taking the old train out of Grapevine, Texas, down to Fort Worth in the Stockyards. So we'll spend the day down there. And what are you gonna have?
Spaghetti.
Well, good morning. It's Saturday, and today the group, Texoma Leisure Travel Van Group, we're going to take the train, the vintage train, from Grapevine downtown to the Stockyards in Fort Worth. What you looking up?
I'm just looking at rear view cameras.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Grapevine Vintage Railroad. We are so excited to see all of you today. Glad you were brave enough to come out in all of this lovely rain that we're getting. We're super excited about rain. Free water is nothing to complain about. So, all right, as we get ready to start moving, we've got some quick rules for you. A tiny little bit of information. Lewis and Southwestern, there we go. St. Louis and Southwestern line first came to the city of Grapevine in the year 1888.
Robert's rights come on board today.
That's right, Miss Rose. However, since we've got so many fine looking people aboard our train, I think we can enlist some of them for their help.
What a great idea.
And I believe...
Your attention, please. My name is Mustang, and I'm as wild and mean as a Texas torment. Now, stick 'em up! Stick 'em
know you, scoundrel.
Not yet, but you will. You got something I want.
Oh, and what's that, scoundrel?
My pension. Now quit calling me scoundrel. There's no way to talk to a lady.
I'm sorry, where are my manners, scoundrel? What is your name?
Mustang.
Mustang Sally?
How did you know that?
Oh, I believe we did jazz together some years back. You were the singer, I played the
You're
bass.
distracting me. You gave me that money.
Check this out. It's like the 1900s first class train bathroom. But I don't think the toilet is from then.
She's working hard. She's working herself.
That's just part of the rain. So we decided to take public transportation back to Grapevine just because the weather's bad and the vintage train is delayed. So need to get back to our puppies. So this is the fast train back to Grapevine from Stockyards. Must do the Tex Rail. Take a bus. Yeah, take a bus from Stockyards to Northside train station. Oh, good morning. This is Sunday. Actually sunny, nice day, but a little windy compared to yesterday with the rain and the train ride. But we made the best out of it. It was a fun time. Enjoyed meeting a bunch of new LTV owners. So we're packing up, getting ready to go home. Site number 10 is a great view of the lake. And see you on our next travels. Thanks for watching. Everybody's pulling out Sunday morning. Good times.